Hello, and thank you for joining today's tutorial, Stride ERP tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the password that you need to log into Stride for the first time. Now, your system administrator will give you or provide you with the password that was used to register you in, the email address that was used to register you in Stride. However, creating the password for the first time is something that you will need to do. Now, to get that password, click the sign in button. Okay, Stride will take you to a page where you will be prompted to enter your email address and your password, but you do not have a password now, which is why we are doing this tutorial to show you how to create that password for the first time. So to create the password, click Forgot Password. Okay, the Forgot Password link will take you to this page where you will be prompted to enter your email address. Now, the email address that you enter is the one that was provided to you by your system administrator. Now, if your system administrator did not give you an email address, please reach out to them to get that email address from them. Now, once you enter the email address, make sure you have access to that email address because Stride will send an email with instructions and a password reset link to that email address or that email account. So here I'll just go ahead to reset my password. Okay, so I receive a confirmation that the email has been sent. Okay, I go to my email box and I will see, or once you go to your email box, you should see an email that looks like this, password reset. You are getting this mail because you have requested to change your password. Kindly click the link below to change your password. Clicking this reset password link will get you over to a page that looks like this, okay, where you will be prompted or asked to create a new password. Now, the new password that you create must have 8 characters, a minimum of 8 characters in length, must contain a number, must contain an uppercase letter, and must contain a special character. Okay, so as I go through this, okay, as I meet each requirement, okay, Stride will cross out the requirement as confirmation that I have met that specific item or that criteria that was required of me. So you can see here the 8 characters is done, contains number, contains uppercase, contains special character. My password, the one I just created, meets all those requirements. So I just need to type it again at the bottom and go ahead to reset my password. Once the password is reset, you will be redirected back to this page, the sign-in page. So now using that the new password that was just created, you can sign into Stride. Okay, so let's go ahead and sign in. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead to sign in here. Okay, so we have signed in, and this is what you will see when you sign in. So on the left, you will see a list of navigation items that you can use to get around the system. Here I can see my name, okay, and my picture. So I'm signed in as Victoria Daniel. I can see a help button here that takes me to the knowledge base. Okay, so here I can click in to get to Stride to get help in Stride if I need help. I see the notifications button that gives me information about maybe my colleagues' birthdays and so on and so forth. And I also see a dashboard of items. So my dashboard is empty now because I'm just signing in for the first time, so it does not have data to present to me. But this data shows last week's work hours. This shows hours I spent on projects last week. I can see today's goals, so the goals, things I have to work on today. I can see this month's goals, so things that were scheduled by my manager or by HR as goals that I need to meet this month. I can see upcoming birthdays of my colleagues, of my fellow employees. So George Clooney, Brenda Gold. I can see team absences. So my colleagues that will be off within the next 7 days. Okay, now I'm also signed in as a system admin, as a finance administrator, so I can also see some charts that have to do with the company accounts or the company finances. Now, what you see on the right may not be as your navigation menu may not be as long as this. So what you see again is dependent on your role in the organization and your responsibilities within the organization. So your list may look a lot shorter than this. Okay, so this is how you get your password to log into Stride. And this brings us to the end of today's training. Thank you for listening and have a great day.